Občutek je, da se Seat v zadnjih letih prebuja, ne zgolj kar se tiče vse njihove povezljivosti in infotainmenta znotraj kabine, ampak tudi kar se modelov tiče. Hi, how are you doing? It looks like that Seat is waking up in the last couple of years. A lot of new models, a lot happening inside the car as well with the info entertainment systems.
Yeah, it's a great time at Seat. We're in the middle of our biggest product offensive in all our history. We launched the Ateca last year. We are launching the new Arona here in Frankfurt. And I think this product offensive is reflected in our sales results. Seat is now the fastest growing brand in Europe per August this year. Our sales are up 14%, in Slovenia as well, up 17%. So we got off to a fantastic start and we're really happy with the results.
It seems like that you found your customers, you know, because the brand identity, it used to be for more sporty people, then somewhere in between you reached out to families as well, but now are you focusing primarily on the young people?
Yeah, I think you can see here this environment, the stand here is certainly targeted at young people. It's not a typical corporate environment. When you see the way our people are dressed, the way we present the car, we're obviously talking to a young target group, the next generation, through the design of our cars, through our marketing activities, the campaigns that are running for Ibiza and later for Arona are speaking to a younger target group. And here in particular with our cooperation with Amazon and Alexa, I think that's a really new, interesting thing for young people.
Can we talk about it?
Yeah.
What is Alexa bringing?
Alexa's bringing the opportunity in the car of a personal assistant. You know, you can ask Alexa to find you a restaurant. You can ask Alexa when's your next meeting. You can ask Alexa to find some music. You know, there are I think 20,000 different skills that Alexa has, and obviously in a safe way in the car that you can talk to Alexa and get stuff fixed.
Do you see a problem that the young people don't only they start driving later, or they buy cars later in the age? You know, it used to be that in the 20s you'd buy a car, now you buy it in the 30s. Some don't even want to drive. How do you cope with this situation?
I think first of all, a lot of people don't want to buy cars, so we've seen a lot of increase in private leasing. So for young people, they have got a limited budget, they have a certain amount of money they can spend a month. We try and make an offer that's affordable for them. So, you know, if we offer a car at €150 a month in Ibiza in private leasing with a cheap insurance for young people, which is important, I think that helps. But you're right, we see more and more young people not wanting to own cars but share cars. So we're working on different pilot programs in Barcelona on car sharing for the future, because I believe that will be one of the key trends.
How do you want to attract the people that are, you know, the population is aging as well, you know, we have more older and older people. How to reach out to them, or are you just letting them out of the picture?
No, I think, you know, I'm 51, but I still feel young. So it depends. Young
on the energy.
Depends on the energy. Yeah. So young is not only how old are you in years. It's your mindset, and I think we appeal to the young-minded as well. So particularly with the Arona, I think that will have a great acceptance with very, very young people, but also with older people as well, because you sit higher in the car. The car looks great. It's got lots of room.
When it comes to the sellers in the countries and in the region, how do you train them that they can present everything that the car is offering? Because in the last couple of years, there's been an enormous growth of all the assist things inside, or all the connectivity, Alexa as well.
Yeah, obviously the complexity of the product range. On the one hand, we're introducing new products all the time. And then, like you say, the technologies, the driver assistance, technology, new drivetrains, so hybrids and electric cars, the infotainment systems is becoming more and more complex, training the people. But we invest a lot of money, we invest millions every year, having all of our sales staff and service staff, we bring them over to Barcelona to a big event where we train them on new product and new technologies. So we spend a lot of time and a lot of money doing that.
So they can be prepared for all.
They are prepared. They're very well prepared for the Ibiza and for the Arona, the new launches.
you're always at Seat, like I'd say, a trendsetter inside the Volkswagen group. Is it a good thing that?
I think it's a good thing for the group. We say we're the gate into the group, the entry into the group for young people. So that's our role in the group. I mean, we can't try and copy Volkswagen or Skoda. We have to have our own position, and that's very clear for me. It's talking to young people, the next generation, people getting their first car, their first mobility, and within the Volkswagen group, Seat should offer that.
Thank you, and have a great show here in Frankfurt.
Thank you. Thanks.